Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's free analysis, I wanted to show you some of the magic of the voodoo lines. And I know that when you look at this, they may just strike you as any typical horizontal, right? Because, there's so many ways to measure support and resistance through a horizontal level. And by no means is it a holy grail. But I want you to see a couple of instances that have shown up lately, and also a spot where if you found yourself getting short into the close today, it really is helpful. So you'll notice back in here, this tree line, which we just refer to as the green horizontals. So these tree lines really provided a very solid bid here on this candle that shows up on the 11th. So you move down into this, the level is 52.21. Mind you, these levels are here right before the price is tested, and it exhibits the personality of getting above the level and then holding the pullback too. So the level is 52.21, the low is 52.20. You get a very substantial bounce. Now, of course, the past couple of sessions have pulled in, but look at this level again. This is why it emphasizes that this is a trader's market. I can't look at this and tell you, oh sure, buy it for 3 months. Maybe that'll work. You buy it for 18 months, that's probably easier. But if you're working to make fast money and you're looking at these really tiny wiggles, look at how today's low. Again, 20 against a level of 21. And when you take that and drop it down into a 3-minute chart, this really emphasizes the precision. When you've looked at it long enough, you know that you're getting the same data from the view of a daily. But when you drop it down here into the 3-minute, this is where I hope it's helpful. Because of course, if you were bearish from lunch, well then yeah, you're in good shape. But if you're thinking, say you even were bearish from lunch, what a great place to take profits. Or if you're looking at this end of day, thinking, oh, the market's just going to crash, that's the level pretty much perfectly where it goes bid from. So I wanted to recap with you some of what I was sharing with the chat room into the close today, because it's incredibly helpful in guiding my decisions. If you are not a part of that, you ask, well, where to from here? And that's a great question. And I can give it to you very simply by saying above that, 52.21 should lead to 53.24, and then above that, 53.87. And those are going to be my 2 targets for any continued strength tomorrow. Obviously, if we open up under that level, well, then it's a different environment. But for now, that was well respected, and I think that's where we're headed for Thursday's expiration. I appreciate your time and attention. Hope you find the levels helpful. We'll see you in the room tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. And if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.